I really love all the changes that I've made to my chart, but is there any way to apply this to other charts? I really don't like the idea of having to do this over and over again.
Of course there is. We want to save some time, absolutely. So what we're going to do is we're going to take all those changes that you made, save it as a template, and then just apply it to other charts.
Nice.
So let's take a look. You've made a lot of changes to this chart. And just to review some of the things that you've done, you've moved the legend, you added some axis titles, you added the chart title, you changed some colors, you added data labels. So that's a lot of things that you don't want to have to do on every chart. So let's just say that you set this up, you like it, your boss likes it, we're really happy with it, and we want to save all those settings. Now, it's a chart template, but unfortunately, you're not going to see that term anywhere if you're looking on the ribbon or on the chart elements. You have to know where to look.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're just going to right-click on the chart. And you can really right-click anywhere. You'll get different menus, but this option will be on most of them.
Okay.
So you're going to look down for the option that says Save as Template. Now, as with any template, we have to save it in the location where it tells us. Excel knows what it's doing. It's saving it in the Chart Templates folder, so don't change the location. I recommend that you use a name that you'll recognize later. So maybe this would be your sales chart, or maybe you're going to have a regional pie chart, something like that, so that you can have multiple templates and know what they are when you see it. So I recommend you name it something you know what it's for, but also the type of chart.
Okay.
And we'll go ahead and save that. So now we want to use that template on a chart.
On existing charts or new charts?
Either one, you get to pick.
Really?
You can use it for both. So let's do one of each. So first of all, let's go to one of the other charts we've already created. This one is a chart object, but it has similar data. So we'll go ahead and select that chart. You'll notice that it has all the default settings, no labels, the legend at the bottom, etc. So we're going to go to Change Chart Type. And what you'll notice is at the top of the left-hand column, you have an option for templates. Go ahead and click on templates.
Oh, there's the one that I saved.
Exactly. So all you do is click on it, choose OK.
And there it is.
Applied all your settings, your colors, your layout. It just doesn't change the data or the actual text itself, but it will apply all those settings.
That's cool.
So now let's go to a different set of data. Why don't we go to the sales trends and select that data. So we'll select from A1 to E13. And we'll just go to Insert. Why don't we just click on Recommended Charts. We'll go to All Charts. Once again, you can select Templates. There's your template, and you would just choose OK.
Oh, there it is.
And remember that once you get a favorite chart, you can actually right-click on it and set that as your default chart as well. That means when you hit F11, you'll get this kind of chart. So lots of ways to use that chart template once you've created it.
Cool.